ends of the hair are the oldest parts of the hair, and they're usually higher in porosity than all the other parts of the hair. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to moisturize your hair. Well, how I've been moisturizing my hair. So I know that the title of this video actually says how to moisturize your twists, but I don't have twists on. I actually have this Lilian Okibe temporary locks on, but then they're still like twists, so it's still the same way I moisturize my twists that I moisturize these locks. So let me show you how I do that. So the first thing I use is water, okay, and this is actually lukewarm water because I don't know, recently I found that using lukewarm water is kind of better for my hair, just because using hot water, you know, normally you would use hot water or warm water to open up your hair cuticles and all of that, so that everything you're putting goes into the hair. And then I would usually finish up with cold water, but that's just so much stress. And then and then hot water, well, you're not supposed to use hot water, so warm water, sorry. Warm water leaves your hair frizzy because it opens up your cuticles. And also recently I've learned that conditioners actually have a way of closing up your cuticles, so you don't even have to close up your cuticles yourself, you know. So anyway, just forget about all that long talk and get water. So I'm going to just spray some water on my hair, not too much. I don't want my hair to be dripping, so I'm just going to spray a little water. Make sure I don't leave out my edges. So yeah, that's what I do. And then after doing that, I'm just going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I use this Cantu leave-in conditioner that has argan oil because I like argan oil. I'm just going to take a little of that and I'm going to apply this on my hair. I'm not leaving out my edges, sorry. So just apply this on the hair and just keep working it in until everything goes into the hair. And now you can see it doesn't look like there's anything on my hair because I made sure that I kept, you know, squeezing to kind of press the product into the hair. Okay, so the next thing I do is go in with my jojoba oil. If you've been following my videos for a while, you know I love jojoba oil. So I'm just going to apply that to my hair, and I'm not going to leave my ends out. Why do I keep saying ends? My edges. I'm not going to leave my edges out. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And then lastly, I have shea butter. I don't know if you can see that. I have shea butter, but I'm going to use, normally I would use this shea butter for only the ends. So normally this is my hair routine, just put the shea butter on the ends of my hair, because the ends of the hair are the oldest parts of the hair, and they're usually higher in porosity than all the other parts of the hair. so you can actually get away with using, you know, thicker products on the hair. But then in a strange way, people with low porosity hair actually like, some people actually don't mind using shea butter, because although the butter seems thick, it's actually kind of good for the hair. So yeah, shea butter on the end. And just because it's Hamatan, right? Just because it's Hamatan and everything is just dry, what I do is that I take just a little shea butter, just very little, not too much to coat my hair, but just very little, right? And then I just rub it on my hair. I just recently started doing this actually. Normally I would just leave only the jojoba oil in. And I'm going to press it in again so that the product enters the hair. And guys, that is basically how I moisturize my hair. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I don't know, say whatever, tell me how you're doing or something. But thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to moisturize your hair. So let's just jump. Whoa. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to what? How to moisturize. Oh, I'm tired. Hello. Are you looking for me? Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how. And what's that supposed to mean? Wow. I'm not going to sit down here and listen to this rubbish. Excuse me.